I met with Susan and we come up with a bit of a plan to install solar on the upper level there of her property. Susan was cautious about who she was using to do the installation because she didn't want anything to be seen from the road or from around the property. Susan was a little bit hesitant with which way she was going to go at the beginning. I went out and had a look at some of the designs that some people had done for her, and there was just panels spread all over the roof, and she definitely was not happy with that. So with our experience, we put together a package that put all the panels neatly on her roof, nicely set out, and nothing could be seen from the road, nothing could be seen from the backyard, and was still able to achieve the 13.5 kilowatts there on her property to deal with her power bills. Because of the extra wattage, we're able to put less panels on her roof and able to achieve a maximum capacity there to deal with her high usage. She found that very important, going for a very high efficient panel, and not just a high efficient panel, but a panel that had a name in the industry, so she knew that she was in safe hands. From Susan's point of view, it was very important that she had somebody here local. She knows we're only a phone call away, we're only up the road, so if there's ever any issues, she knew she had someone to come back to.